I have good news. With days left before Christmas, Democrats and Republicans have reached an omnibus agreement completed at 1:15 a.m. early this morning. In the very early hours of the morning, Chairman Leahy and Ranking Member Shelby released a long-sought bipartisan, bicameral omnibus appropriations bill for fiscal year 2023. The omnibus is the last thing we have to do to close out a very successful 117th Congress. And we've taken another step, a major step towards reaching the goal line. After a lot of hard work, this package represents an aggressive investment in American families, American workers, and America's national defense. It'll give our troops a raise, make health care more affordable for millions, and it fulfills the promise Democrats made to defend democracy at home and abroad through the ECA. It was no easy feat to piece this bill together. And if our amazing appropriator staff needs a quick power nap at their desks this morning, no one's going to blame them. I want to thank Chairman Leahy and Ranking Member Shelby for working on this omnibus for months without cease. I can't think of a more fitting send-off for our two esteemed appropriators than this. If this omnibus goes down as Senator Leahy and Shelby's final legislative contribution as senators, then I say, bravo, thank you, well done. I also want to thank my colleagues in the House, above all, Speaker Pelosi and Chair DeLauro, for their relentless work. The clock is now ticking until government front runs out this Friday. Between now and the end of the week, the watchwords for the Senate will be speed and cooperation. For the information of senators, we're going to get going on this process today. Members should be ready to vote to lay the omnibus before the Senate as soon as this afternoon. We must finish passing this omnibus before the deadline on Friday when government funding runs out. But we hope to do it much sooner than that because we're mindful that a nor'easter is barreling down the East Coast on Thursday and Friday. Let me say this again. The sooner we pass the omnibus, the better. We have until Friday before funding runs out, but we ought to get it done well before then. I hope no senator will stand in the way of us finishing our work. We cannot afford a shutdown. More importantly, the American people need us to act quickly. As I said, the American people need us to act quickly to avert the looming danger of a government shutdown. Nobody wants a shutdown.
Good morning, friends. Happy December 20th to all of you. Wow, friends, gas prices are now reaching the lowest level since July of last year. Democrats and Republicans are now planning out new steps that Congress is going to take to tackle inflation, and lawmakers have confirmed that some low-income households may see a decrease in their monthly benefits, including SNAP. My friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details and to say thank you for being part of this community. I'm giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month. If you would like to enter these daily giveaways, do make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. So here is the latest news. The great gasoline spike of 2022 has completely unwound, giving consumers a major boost after a year of very high inflation. The national average for regular gasoline dropped to $3.14 a gallon on Monday. Gas prices have not been this low since July 2021. After moving steadily higher last year, pump prices spiked early in 2022. The national average topped at an all-time record high of $5.02 a gallon in June. But prices have since cooled off and the decline has accelerated in recent weeks. The national average for regular gas has tumbled 12 cents in the past week and 54 cents in the past month. It is 17 cents cheaper to buy gas now than the same date last year. Patrick DeHaan, head of petroleum analysis at GasBuddy, told CNN News on Friday that the national average could drop below $3 a gallon by Christmas Eve. 21 U.S. states already have averages below $3 a gallon, including the states of Ohio, North Carolina, and Colorado. In California, the state average for regular gas has dropped to $4.38. That is down from a record of $6.44 in June of this year. The plunge in gasoline prices has been driven by a variety of factors, including less demand, recession fears, and rebounding supply. So friends, please comment below how much unleaded gas is in your state. As inflation continues to decrease, some Americans may see some big changes. According to state officials, more than 145,000 Louisiana households will see a decrease in their SNAP benefits. This is due to a cost of living adjustment to Social Security and veterans benefits. Louisiana state officials said that the average reduction will be about $50 beginning in January. The change affects about 34% of all SNAP households in the state of Louisiana. The state said, currently SNAP recipients receive emergency allotments, which brings them to the maximum benefit amount for their household size. Benefit reductions for these households may not be noticeable until emergency allotments expire once a public health emergency ends. Other benefits affected will be the Family Independence Temporary Assistance Program and the Kinship Care Subsidy Program. Also, the state of Alaska made it much easier to receive SNAP benefits during the crisis. Last year, more than 80,000 Alaskans used the program, but this fall, many residents of Alaska were asked to refile their paperwork. However, the state has not responded to many residents' requests for SNAP benefits. Earlier this year, in the month of July, tens of thousands of Alaskans lost access to expanded food stamp benefits in September, as the state ended its public health emergency. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? Should the SNAP benefits be reduced? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Silver Bells. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Silver Bells, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you watch and leave the keyword on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. There is a new update on relief checks in the South. Residents in the state of South Carolina are able to receive a rebate of up to $800 as long as they have filed their 2021 tax returns. Due to the $800 cap for individuals whose tax liabilities are less than $800, their rebates will be equal to their tax liability, while those with a tax liability equal to or over $800, you will receive exactly $800. The money given from this payment will be paid to the same bank accounts in which people received their 2021 refund. This payment will be given before New Year's Eve to South Carolina residents who have filed their 2021 tax forms by October 17, 2022. But friends, there is still some time for South Carolina residents to file their 2021 returns and receive this payment because the deadline has been extended to February 15th of next year. Anyone who files now after missing the initial October 17th deadline will receive a rebate in March 2023. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Tuesday. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me here every day and watching the new videos that I post. Friends, I want you all to know that I greatly appreciate every single one of you for joining me here daily. I will be announcing a winner for the $50 Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So please make sure that you do stay tuned for that video and enter the keywords of each video that you watch. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed week.